Welcome back to a new video. Have you ever wondered why so many different blood types exist? You have a blood type. So does everyone you know. But here's the strange part. Nobody actually needed this variety to survive. Evolution usually settles on one winning trait and moves on. So why did it leave us with several, all still competing today? You have a blood type. So does everyone you know. But here's the strange part. Nobody actually needed this variety to survive. So why does it exist at all? Blood type comes down to tiny markers called antigens sitting on your red blood cells. The ABO system determines whether you're type A, B, AB, or O, based on which antigens sit on those cells. This wasn't always common knowledge. Blood types weren't even discovered until 1901. Before that, doctors mixed blood between people with zero understanding of compatibility, and transfusions were essentially a gamble with a patient's life. Most traits evolution picks get locked in. The best version wins, the rest fade out. But blood types didn't do that. Studies suggest blood type diversity isn't random. It's actively maintained by selection, on purpose, generation after generation. The most popular explanation is that different blood types evolved to give populations broader immunity against disease. Not one perfect blood type, a spread of them like a portfolio of defenses, so no single disease can wipe out everyone at once. People with type O blood develop severe malaria symptoms less often because infected red blood cells are less likely to clump together and block small blood vessels. Type O appears to have evolved before humans even left Africa, and it's especially common in regions where malaria has always been deadliest. Here's the twist. That same protective type O blood comes with a cost elsewhere. Type O is especially vulnerable to cholera, while type AB is somewhat resistant to it. So one leading idea is a straightforward trade-off. When cholera epidemics were frequent, types A and B spread through a population. When malaria struck harder, type O spread instead. The pattern goes further than these two diseases. Different blood types have also been linked to differing risks for conditions like stomach cancer, ulcers, and even heart disease, though scientists are still working out exactly why. Different diseases favor different blood types in different regions at different times in history. There's no single winning type, because the thing being optimized for keeps changing under our feet. This isn't a recent development either. ABO blood groups likely evolved around 20 million years ago, long before modern humans or even early hominids existed. And ABO isn't even the whole story. The Rh factor, the positive or negative after your letter, is inherited completely separately, and researchers still don't fully understand why it evolved. In fact, scientists have identified over 40 different blood group systems in humans beyond just ABO and Rh. Researchers know ABO genotype clearly influences susceptibility to a whole range of infectious diseases, but they still don't know exactly which specific disease or diseases originally drove this system into existence. So the blood type on your medical chart isn't just a transfusion label. It's a 20-million-year-old bet, hedged across millions of people, against diseases we're still trying to fully identify. A genetic insurance policy older than humanity itself. If that made you want to actually check your own blood type, subscribe. Why though? Because there's a lot more of this.